Hey guys, I am dirty as hell right now. I was sanding on some stuff and I've been working all day, so look what we got here today. We got a war wagon. This is 04 Subaru Forester XT 2.5 turbo. Essentially the same as an STI. And this is not mine. This is my buddy Tony's. He's having us do some work for him. It unfortunately blew the motor. This one right here, we also got working on. Needs a manual swap, and we're gonna do an engine swap in it at the same time. GTI actually is running pretty good today. We don't really have any problems with this guy. Then we got the old Passat. She's still chilling. Still works, but we just need to get her taken care of. Moving down the line. This guy right here needs some serious love. This car is gonna get cut off somewhere right in here. We gotta cut it off. That's coming soon. And then of course, we all know and love the Jeep turbo diesel. Yeah! Just want to let you guys in on the action. We haven't put a lot of videos out recently, but we are going to be having lots of videos coming out, so stay tuned.